Alright, I'm recording right now, and lights holy crap. Oh look, bacon. Wherever that is. Let's go outside. Oh my god, so dark. And that's a way of focus. You can see all the streets. Oh wait, there's glass somewhere. Ooh. Focus. Yes. I literally have to zoom back and forth just to focus. But you know, this is what the area looks like. Yeah. It only shows it. Man, this looks like an old found footage movie. It only shows an old found footage movie. I don't know why I did that, but it does. I did that because it might be an old found footage movie. That's why I did the hand crap. Holy crap. Also, wait, why I meant to put the date and the time. You can just press both of them at the same time, which I like. Man, this neighborhood, man. I like this. This camcorder has a bit of problem focusing only at nighttime. That's normal because you have to like zoom back and forth just to get focus. I remember I used my other mini DV camcorder. Remember that? I used my mini DV camera. Let me just turn off the night vision to see what it looks like. Focus. Look, my hand. Yeah. Just, I don't want anything falling on them. Camcorder zooms a bit slow, but at least it. Oh, look where. Focus. Man, they're cooking steak. I don't like steak. Focus. But yeah, or it's not on night shot. You know what's even better? Yo, I think I feel like I'm about to capture a ghost. This camcorder is huge, but it's an old camcorder. It's a high 8 camera actually. This camcorder records on a VHS format. So yeah. I'm just testing out this camcorder from 1998. It's a Sony. This is my first VHS camcorder. Alright, now I'm gonna turn off the night vision. We just so yeah. I'll tell her tomorrow. Look, my dog. Ow. Let me just. Ow. I literally tried to turn on the night vision. I literally tried to turn off the night vision. Whoa. The viewfinder is in black and white, to be honest. It's a bit fishbowl vision looking when I look into the viewfinder. Like, when I got this camera, the viewfinder was very dusty and dirty. No wonder they don't use the viewfinder that much. It's in black and white. Like, holy crap. And it's literally hurting my eye when I look into it. So I don't really think I should do that. So this is my gaming computer. And yeah. And this is my mini DV camera that I bought a couple of months ago. I bought this mini DV camcorder. And yeah. And I literally took the microphone off just to put it into this camcorder. And hopefully it turns out good because, you know. I'm gonna end the video here. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I'm gonna be uploading it to YouTube or something like that. Hopefully you enjoyed it. Bye. Hopefully you have a great day, great Friday. Bye.